clot with what him do. Him come and try to use all kind of remedy in the whole world. Him eat this and him eat that. Enough girl did eat this sodomite life and me wind up fuck them after a blood clot while. You hear me? I tell you, one time me buck enough girl in a life already. Then cuss and go at the most blood clot we and discriminate and cuss you like dog. But oh, me have your daughter fuck out that round a one part. This is the same girl. What say she not like girl and she don't wanna do this and she wanna do blood clot that. So me know a footer, say man a drill you and I put some big wood in your big bum buckler body hole. You see, they do your blood clot have a little sodomite girl you have a power around. You think so we don't know? You have the same little girl too, she dress up in a girl clothes and a damn pussy. That is you're good with that. But every day you want to come beat me and coffee and the rest of the way where you feel like Ray. True, you feel like you like a spaghetti blood clot cocky and your girl if you use rose and a play in your body hole now. Body boy. You feel like a joke thing me a deal with your body man. Every day you get up and you cuss body boy because you wanna be us so bad. Me, I go send one body man to come fuck you. Because my sister you don't know if you look a man, so me I go send one come look you. Me I go send one come over there come abuse your race, your body, your the whole of your rear end are going to lick off like you know one car accident pussy hole. You're going to get one blood clot tail end. One lick off of your bum buck. The whole of your fucking indicator light, everything will clot out of blood clot that. Because me not top tell you say, you see the little boy where you have a grow there, we go like a she and drink tea with the pinky cock out so you are got blood clot no. The first fucking get you are got blood clot no. Man are going to ring out your son like a wet rag and wipe them cocky all both in him bum buckler mouth. And when you come and I hug up your son, you go smell beer tail for your bum buckler son. Your son now go tell you say I'm a batty man. Cause he know say you go get up and walk and go like you want to cut him off. Say man I come around you come grounds you out. Just suck off a wood and come hug you up and blow in your bum buckler ears with the cocky breath. Because of that you deserve as a waste father, batty boy. Hurt me for you ramming no go man fuck you for every day. Me tell you now, blood clot here. What's going on? What the fuck is going on? What is? What blood clot this? Eh? After me there, man, I beat your footer. Big pussy boy, me have the whole of them people in my life. Well, I'm here deal with you, shabby. I'm here say, alright now, me come sit down and come get all of my gifts for there. So I talk out, me throat to all of me. I say, yeah, me beat you, me deal with you away. And you what you do? You send your ancestors, them come freeze me live. You send your ancestors, them come fuck me up. You send your ancestors, them come do me things. And when me do, me sit down here test me I easy see me come not up beat your pussy hole. Cause me have to come over blood clot barber shop and come tell everybody which one of them barber there I fuck you. Because me yes, you there over TikTok a flick back per man dick tap. And me know say you blood clot fucky barber when you lock it. Me know say lock it a cock you up on one of them barber chair and a fuck you. And I rub the whole of them dirty thinking grills there in your dirty body hole. Because you only like heads, your hood only get up in man mouth. Girl mouth can't make your hood get up because you're dead, craggle blood clot hood. Man, if you pump you up like basketball to bumbo clot, drunk up, pestilent germs. Hurt me feel it's bumbo clot. I want this. Wanna tell me what me deserve? Sorry about the noise, you know. You see me?
I'm right there, bro.
Thank you for the gifts, bro.
Safe, stay black.
You know I got already. I want done alone and no pussy no test me with the Glock in my right hand, you know. Hi, baby.